I'll take you around the 206. It's come back again from having an extensive amount of work done. It's costing an absolute fortune, this car, but we started, so we might as well finish. Right, I'll take you to the front first because that's where some work was done. So we had excessive vibration, so I had to have a gearbox mount put in. So a gearbox mount, is that an engine mount? It might be an engine mount because the gearbox, I think, is over this way, isn't it? Forgive me, I don't really know, but yeah, anyway, so it's had a mount put in there, and that has gone some way to stop the vibration that it had. As you can see here, it's had new top mounts put in, and that's why those are nice and shiny and new. That was on both sides that was done. I'll probably be able to show you here. So all nice and new. Look, it's had new springs and new shock absorbers put in as well, because they were well past their best, and it just needed, you know, all the general wear and tear items on this car just needed replacing, in all honesty. One thing we have got with this is there's now like a squeaking from one of the wheels, whether it's one of the back ones or whether it's the front ones, we don't really know at this point. Now originally what we thought it was the rear calipers. So as you can see there, those have been replaced on either side, but it doesn't seem to be those. To be honest, it looks like these discs have had it. Although the brakes were new when I bought this car, new, they're not that great, in all honesty. So I think with that sort of jazz going on there, I think we're going to replace these. But I don't know whether really to do the backing plates at the same time. So yeah, that's an option with this. Excuse my dodgy spray job I'm doing on the boot. I'm always messing around with paint, I'm not very good with it. Yeah, see caliper in there as well, look, replaced, brand new. I've taken the door card off, just here. So yeah, check straps in, put the door card back on as well. These are an absolute faff to do because this surround seems to be, unless you push it firmly in, it just clips straight back out again. Just need to put the wing mirror / speaker grill back on. But yeah, that was the old one that came out. I think we can all agree that that's absolutely had it. Yeah, it's still a fair few repairs to do on this car. I've ordered up one of these, which costs £12.50. Get that replaced, nice easy repair. I did a repair on the paint on the boot, which isn't so great to be fair, but it is a little bit better than it was, and certainly at sort of 10 paces looks all right. You know, I'm not going to pay 2-3 grand to have this car resprayed, it seems silly. Needs to do some paint repair on that. Needs a little bit of touching on paints here as well. Added a couple of GTI badges to the doors. Didn't have those before. Yeah, it's looking right actually. Shed loads of work done to it, lots of money spent, but yeah, we'll keep persevering with it because I actually quite like this car. So yeah, I mean, that's the update on this one for today. I'm sure I'll have more for you. I'm going to be working on this little fella here, getting that panel back on the boot, and I did a previous video on this one with the welding that's been done. It's really good. And yeah, I'm going to put a lights on buzzer in this because they didn't have them. See how bad the paint is, like, yeah, it's red, just really suffers. It's had multiple panels in its life as well, so you know, different shades, and you know, this one in particular is off an F-Reg car. But yeah, we'll get to it. Yeah, there's not really much I can say about this one, apart from it's mostly in retirement these days in the garage. Yeah, alright, well, we'll leave that there for a minute. I'm sure we'll have another video on the 206 at some point, at least one of them. Might very well even be Reuben. Like, he's looking good on those wheels now, isn't he? Much better. Suit him far better. But there we go. Alright then, catch you later. Bye bye.